Hello guys, good morning. I just want to tell you the features of a pond. So now we are doing some earthwork, so it is required for an earthwork site to always make some ESC, erosion and salt control. Like for example, this one is SRP, sediment retention pond. So the water will enter onto that one, and if you can see the black box is there, so we are putting what you could do, a mixture, plaque. I think it's a chloride. It's a mixture, but it's a plaque. So it's like a chlorine, and it will be, and the water will drop. The mixture will drop through this purvey. We call this one as a purvey. So as you can see, so it will clean, so the sediment will settle down, and the water will become more clearer. So when the water will going to fill in this purvey, it will going to swell to the pond. So before it reaches, it will pass through this spreader bar. So the spreader bar is I think it's within 100 to 200 lower than the top bank. So if you can see that one, the top of bank, I mean to say the top of the pond, so this one should be lower within 100 to 200 mil. So the water will swells, and it will pass through the spreader bar, and it will go to the pond. Okay, we will go to the pond. I need to hurry up because I have a work. So since I cannot go inside the pond because it's filled with water, so I just use the station to asphalt the decant. So I will show you the features of a pond. So here, if you can see here, so there's a pipe, you see? There's a pipe going there, going to the back. See? Somewhere there, if you can see. Just not for a sec. You see that pipe? Yeah, you see. I know you see. And now it is connected to this one. And if you can see, we have two decant, and also known as T-bar because it looks like a T and bar. So T-bar. So that's a decant 1 and decant 2. And if you can see, there's a vertical pipe. We call it a primary spillway. And if you can see here, there's a sudden drop in elevation here. So yeah, if you can see there, top, and it drops, and also in the same way here. Yeah, top and drop, and it's flat. So why? Because we call this one as emergency spillway. So first thing, when the water is pouring inside the pond, first it will release first on that decant 1. If you can see, there's a tiny holes on that T-bar, so it will flows in and will be released onto there's a stream there, somewhere there, the one that I told you. See, it will be released there, joining up to the existing stream. And when really the water is pouring inside the pond because there's a heavy rain, then it will fill up immediately, and then it will reach to the decant 2. So the water will come into that pipe. So decant 1, decant 2, it will go inside to that invert level, to that pipe, and it will be released to the outlet. And then if the water is really pouring in, it's very heavy rain, so the water will, massively pouring inside the pond. So now it will now there are three points of 3 point of exit of water. So the decant 1, decant 2, and that one is the primary spillway, and the primary spillway is within 300 lower compared to what in the emergency spillway. Should be lower first. So there are now 3 exit A. So that first decant 1, decant 2, and the primary spillway, that vertical one, there's a hole on that one, so the water will go inside on also that one, and it will be released to the outlet. And if it is really a massive rain and it's really, like it's a very bad rain, and now there are 4 exit now. So this is now it will exit, the water will exit in the emergency spillway. So the decant 1, decant 2, primary spillway, and then the emergency spillway. So there are 4 exit. Sometimes there's some specification, because the council are making some specification and guideline how to build the pond. So there's a kind of ratio, of rise and the slope of the bank of the pond. So yeah, and also what else? And also, if you can see here, that one just only 150. But if this pond is meant to cover a catchment of what call this one, 3 hectares, more than 3 hectares, then that primary spillway should be replaced by a manhole, and the manhole and that there will be 3 decant that will be connected to the manhole, and then there's an outlet also going back there, and it should be 300. Now it's just only 150. If you can see that pipe, that is only 100. So that's only 150. Okay, so yeah, so this is a sediment retention pond, and just only 150 pipe, 150 dia pipe. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you.